Picked up the PNY 1TB SD card for my Insta360 Pro. This is what the package looks like. Alright, let's see about formatting this thing. Hard format. So, look at that. 17 hours with 4K 60 frames per second. That is incredible. A quick record. Blah, blah, blah. No issues. That's awesome. Dive in, it's 4K 60 without that's pure video. 20 hours on pure video. It's awesome. Slow motion. 13 hours slow motion. Yeah, the photos. Amazing. I cannot wait to get out there. We'll do some footage tonight. So far so good. Highly recommend.